Are you trying to update your Outlook, but it is failing no matter what you do? Well, this could happen due to an issue with your internet connection, an antivirus program interruption, incorrect settings, or something else. But fixing the Outlook update error is not as difficult as it seems. So today, I will share some simple troubleshooting steps that usually help fix the issue. And yes, if your issue does not go easily, then dial the numbers displayed and our experts will provide you one-on-one guidance. Alright then, let's fix your problem now. First of all, you should ensure that your internet connection is working properly. Now, open the Outlook app on your computer and then click on the settings icon in the top right corner. After that, look for the general option and then click on it. You will see the variety of options will appear on the screen. Here, click on About Outlook. Then, you need to turn on your toggler under What's New. After that, click on the Save button. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help@emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.